Okay guys, welcome back to our fourth tutorial for Knockerball and event rental systems. Today we're going to go over some of our general documents and our automatic responses and messages. Now we have a lot of these already set up for you. However, we suggest that you just give them a quick look over and change any of the text that you don't like. And this is very, very simple to do. So first thing we're going to do, we log into our control panel here. We're going to go to admin once again. We're going to go to documents and then general documents. Now when we click that, we're going to see that there's quite a few documents already in here, and these are all of the documents that you should need, and they're already put together for you and ready to go right out of the box. However, like I said, give each one a quick look just to make sure that you don't want to add any text or maybe change a word here or there. It's very simple to do. All you need to do is click on the actual document, and it's going to bring it up for you here. Of course, you'll have the appropriate logo in here for your company. And these guys here, once again, like we always said, don't edit these guys that are in brackets. Those are merge fields, and they're set up to pull the information from other parts in the system so that when this document does go out, it'll say hello, and then it'll have the customer's name already populated, first and last, etc. So the text that you can change is stuff like this. Thank you for successfully scheduling your Knockerball event, that sort of thing. Again, in the brackets, please don't touch or edit that information. Anything else, go ahead and feel free to edit, change, or anything else that you want to do there. And all you do is type the information in here, and you've got some controls here for bold, underline, justification of the text, and that sort of thing. Once you're done, just click on the submit button to save and bring you back to the main list of documents. So again, make sure you just go through each one of these at least one time. Give them a look over just to see what they say. We've already got a contract in here for you. Our contracts are pretty watertight. If you have a different one that you want to use, by all means, you can add that in here. However, like I said, ours are pretty darn good. We've got thousands of users that use them on a regular basis and pretty much daily. So everything should be set up in here for you, but give it a once over anyways, just to make sure. Okay, now the other place that we want to do the same thing is again in admin documents, and this time automatic messages. So let's click here, and these are messages that are going to fire off under certain activities. So after somebody completes a rental and you've picked up all of your equipment and everything's done, they're paid for, the system's going to fire off a survey to them. You've got pre-rental reminders, prepaid letters, that sort of thing. 1-year reminder letters and things like this are, if somebody rented for a birthday party, let's say, you can have the system set up to fire this off about 5 days prior to the next birthday, just to remind them that they rented from you in the past. Hopefully they had a good time, and if they wanted to rent from you again, you are available. So again, with these, just click the one that you want to look over, and you can see the text here. Again, we've got some stuff that's in brackets here. Please don't change or edit that information unless told to do so by one of our support techs. But again, feel free to edit any of the standard text that's in here. Change a little bit of the wording if you see fit. Put your name in there if you wish. Whatever you want to do. This is how you get to it and edit those guys. So once you're done, again, click submit. That's going to save your changes, and it's going to bring you right back to this page each time you're done. And from there, everything should be ready to rock and roll. That's it for this one. It's a pretty short one, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.